What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Y'all, it's been long overdue. Edge is looking crazy. Oh my god. I don't care. And my face is breaking out. Mommy, thank you to Mommy. I gotta play that shit. And my man, thank you to my man. 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 I'm currently in the process of doing my toes right now. So I'm about to do them real quick. Because I haven't done them since my birthday and they're looking a little crusty. I need to figure out what color I need to, what I want to wear. I don't know. I have mad colors to choose from. Look at my tray. I have mad colors in here. Some of them not cute though. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I be doing French on my toes. What color is it giving? I don't know. Yeah. It's about to be 1 o'clock and I'm doing my toes. But I don't care because I don't feel like doing all this tomorrow. It'd be a process doing your toes. I'm trying to tell y'all. If you do your own toes, then you know. I'm all over the place right now. Literally. I thought about this last minute. Alright, I got this plugged up.
And you sweat, you've been waiting for me. All those other men will practice. They will me, girl, you look good. Once you back that ass up, you'll find.
Toes are done. Period. It's 2:16. Like, it took a whole hour. I'm ready to go to bed. Like, yeah. I'm not there getting to bed right now. Cause that just drained me.
Today drained me.
I feel like these type of braids fit my head. Like, I don't know. At first I had the regular single ones. I didn't really like those. But the double ones look way better. Shout out to my mom. Alright, y'all. It's the next day. Clearly. I'm gonna take some pictures. Cause I look cute. Y'all, look at this. It's about to rain. That shit is big as fuck. We're at Target. It is pouring. I ain't getting out yet.
Dang, as soon as you made it there, it started raining.
They over here running. Yeah, I ain't getting out.
Gonna be working out. I'm sorry, doing that. Oh, I can't see on here. The curb is so heavy.
What the world?
It's so heavy. I can't even see, Ross. Oh my god. No, I gotta drive slow.
I ain't going nowhere else.
Oh yeah, we gotta go. I better hold on. They get the Dollar General though. No, I gotta see. I'm gonna try.
Yeah, I'm going to Target and back home. Heck no. Where's that soap I be using? I gotta find that. I need some of these. Bro, they don't even have what I need. This is what I need. This brand. They better have some in here because I need it. I'm not going nowhere else for no soap. Where is Dr. Bronner's? My hedge. Okay, yeah. This is what I need right here. I don't know which one should I get though. I usually get the bar soap. Gotta be cheap. But all they got is this one and this one. I need... Nah, I already got this peppermint one at home. That peppermint burn your asshole, I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably gonna get this one. Cause they ain't got no good ones. And I don't feel like paying $15 for right now.
Oh my god, they got that thing I got on my phone. Let me smell this real quick. This smells good, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm always getting vanilla. So I'm not gonna get that. Yeah. I do want it, but I ain't gonna lie. Should I get it? I don't know. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. Cause like, I don't know. I like gonna wear these. I got done washing my hands. I'm about to cook this dinner early. So I ain't gotta worry about it. Cause it's already like 5. Alright, I got the meat cooking right now. This about to be real good. I'm about to put a tablespoon of garlic, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. This shit keep popping. Oh, alright, they got fired. I like cooking, but not when it pops. I don't do that. Let me get back with y'all when it's done because okay, that look way better. Now I gotta clean all this up because it was popping. All you do with this, you really just steam it. Like, there's nothing really to it. Just put a little olive oil and some freaking water in it. Let me put some in it right now. I got everything in it. Mixed everything up. Now I'm about to put the cheese on top and bake it for a little bit. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm about to put it in the oven for like, I don't know how long, but it's gonna go in there until the cheese melt. Probably like 10 minutes, I'd say. But I'm so damn hungry, bro. I don't even know if these pizza rolls done. If y'all don't eat freaking ranch with y'all pizza rolls, something wrong with you. It tastes way better.
She says she cool. She from East Atlanta, so she